Hello, people. Hello. So today I am gonna be making a video. It's gonna be on a scary game. Alright. Let's get into the game. Well, first I have to show you it, so goodbye. So this is the game Fashion Diva Drama Show. Only has 30 active and then 27 likes. So the game looks normal, but I don't think it's normal. Let's read. It says, "Welcome to Fashion Diva Dream House Tycoon. Use these dazzling gems to unlock travel for the furniture floors." And okay, I just realized something. There's certain letters capitalized. So I'm gonna get a notebook and write down all the letters that are capitalized and see what they spell. Walking, can you hear? Is this working? Can you hear? Yes. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Alright, time to join. Okay, I just joined. This looks like a normal game. Oh. What the heck? Says head to the stage. Oh. Congratulations on top looks. 8 top looks. Ooh, congratulations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 8. Now, the famed superhero. Oh, it's me. Yes, 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars. 1 star. This looks good. Yeah. I'm sorry. Pretty rich. 4 stars. I gave myself 5 stars because I deserve it. I deserve it. There's a lot of people. How many? There's only 4 people in this top 8 windows, and that looks way more than 4 people. What the heck? Are there bots in here? Hold on. I have to type something. You bots. What just happened? This is scaring me. Help, help, help. I'm scared. What is happening? What is happening, seriously? Do I press anything? What is happening? What the, huh? I'm scared. Okay, do I press anything? Do I jump? Do I? just happened? I got kicked out. I'm never playing that again. Bye, kids. Bye-bye.